Hey Glam family, welcome back to another video and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe, like this video, and you're a part of the Glam family. Today's video is a natural beat. As you see by the title, one of my subscribers asked me to do a natural beat, some eyeshadow and a nude gloss. Y'all want to see how I got this look? Then keep watching and make sure y'all like this video. And happy new year to everybody, to all my Glam family and the ones that are not subscribed, but I'm hoping y'all go subscribe after this. But yeah, I'm not gonna ramble too much. Yeah, let's just get into this video.
Hey guys, so I'm starting off with the eyebrows, and I'm using the Morphe eyebrow pencil in Java, J-A-V-A, Java. That's how I'm gonna pronounce it. But yeah, it's like a soft brown. So yeah, I'm just taking that and using it on my eyebrows. And like I said in the intro, one of you guys requested this look, so I hope you guys enjoy it. And I'm just gonna come in and out of this voiceover just to let you guys know what I'm doing. So I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape or Tarte Creaseless Concealer, and I'm just using this on my eyebrows just to carve out my eyebrows, I guess I should say. And the color is Tan Sand, and this concealer is like super creamy and thick. So this is why I used it, because my eyebrows have not been arched or shaved or whatever. So I just used this to conceal those tiny hairs. I also took the concealer on my eyelids just to cancel out the discoloration. So I'm blending it out with the same brush that I used to blend out under my brows. So yeah, I'm just blending this out, and then I'm actually going to put some Airspun concealer. I can't talk. I'm going to put some translucent powder just to set so it doesn't crease. After I set my eyelid, I'm taking the Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette in light to medium, and I'm taking the contour in the Sculpt shade, and I'm just using these to create some type of dimension or a transition shade, I guess, just to give it some type of flair, you know, because we're not doing a super dramatic any type of look. This is a natural beat, so take any brown or a light brown shade that you have and just use that to put on your eyelid in your crease area. And you can actually get this from Target or any drugstore, actually. So I'm taking the NYX Epic Eyeliner. I keep saying I'm sorry. I'm just gonna try and not do that. See, there you go. Anyways, I'm taking this liner and I'm just making a small line. I'm not doing a wing type of liner. I'm just lining partial of my eyelid. Using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, I'm just using this all over my face, and you can get this from Target, I believe, but I also use the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. You can also use that, but you don't have to use a primer. I just use this so you don't get any creasing or anything like that. Moving on to face, so using Maybelline Super Stay foundation in 340 and 332, and I actually mixed both of these shades together to get my color, and these are the 24 hours foundation. So yeah, just put this in your makeup to get, because yeah, these are some good foundations. And yeah, I'm just taking that all over my face, and make sure you blend out the concealer that you put on your brows, and make sure you get underneath your jawline. So now I'm taking the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer in tan sand or soft tan, I believe. I'll make sure to leave everything in the description box so you guys will know what exactly I used. So yeah, I was actually watching a movie, so I was looking back and forth, so don't mind that. Yeah, so I'm just putting the concealer in my highlight areas. So using the Black Radiance contour palette in medium to dark, and I contoured my cheeks and my nose, and I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me in 332 to set underneath my eyes, my highlighted area, and this just gave it a soft, natural type of look instead of using the actual translucent powder. So yeah, this is how that looks, and I'm also going to take it on my chin and forehead area. So now I'm going to use my Airspun, and I'm just taking it down the bridge of my nose and on the sides just a little bit. So now you want to spray your face. I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter face spray, and I just take this and do a couple of pumps on my face just to set everything. And then I'm going to use my beauty blender that I use to blend out my foundation and just pat in everything just to make everything seamless and soft looking. And then you're going to take a highlight shade, and I'm taking this from the contour palette, and just put it on the tip of your nose and the bridge of your nose just to give it a little pop. I know this is some people's favorite part, so I'm taking the NYX Espresso, I can't say that word, Espresso lip liner by NYX, and I'm just lining my lips with it. And the trick to making your lips look big, because mine aren't that big, I just line underneath my lip, my bottom lip, and then I overline the top of my lip, and then I don't go outside of the outer lips. And then I'm taking the NYX Butter Gloss in Fortune Cookie, and I'm just doing a couple of swipes, and this gloss is so cute. You can wear this by itself. You don't even have to wear a liner with this. But yeah, this is what I'm using. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye guys.